Dinnertime, written by Ann Weld, illustrated by Carrie Argent. 6 fat rabbits, doing what they please, don't see the fox sneak out of the trees. Run, fat rabbits, run, 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 or that fox will eat you one by one. Dinner time! 5 fat rabbits, climbing up to play, don't see the fox hiding in the hay. Run, fat rabbits, run, 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 or that fox will eat you one by one. Dinner time! 4 fat rabbits, leaping all around, don't see the fox jump up from the ground. Run, fat rabbits, run, 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 or that fox will eat you one by one. Dinner time! 3 fat rabbits, away from their burrow, don't see the fox spring up from a burrow. Run, fat rabbits, run, 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 or that fox will eat you one by one. Dinner time! 2 fat rabbits, playing hide and seek, don't see the fox pretending he's asleep. Run, fat rabbits, run, 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 or that fox will eat you one by one. Dinner time! 1 fat rabbit, all on its own, out in the dark, a long way from home. Run, fat rabbit, run, 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 or that fox will eat you, little one. Dinner time! Quick, little rabbit, don't be slow. Get down with the others, say below. Dinner time! 6 fat rabbits, eating cabbage rolls, listen as their mother scolds. How many times do I have to say? When it's dinner time, come straight away. The end.